welcome to the Tech Design channel. So friends, today I will talk about AOC AGON AG275QZ series Fast IPS gaming monitor. So friend, the AGON by AOC has present two new models from their brand new AGON 5 lineup. The 27-inch AGON AG275QZ EU features fast IPS panel with a quantum dot layer to produce 1.07 billion colors combined with 240Hz and overclockable to 270Hz refresh rate, 1 millisecond GTG and 0.5 millisecond MPRT response time, and it is more affordable sibling. And friend, the 27-inch AGON AG275QZ and EU features fast VA panel with a high contrast and also featuring the same eSport level specification, 240Hz refresh rate, 1 millisecond GTG response time and 0.5 millisecond MPRT response time. And friend, the both monitors are certified with VESA DisplayHDR 400 and support HDR10 to bring to life rich and vivid visual while ensuring fast moving smooth images at the same time. And friend, both monitors feature a revamped design compared to previous AGON model with a sleeker and cleaner appearance, and the three-sided borderless design makes them ideal to be placed in a multi-monitor setups, and the metal base of their premium stand feature reduced footprint on the desk, so even compact pedal station can employ this monitor. And friend, height adjustable stand offering swivel, pivot and tilt functionality, and the ergonomic are suited for high energy competition at home or stage tournaments. And friend, a built-in 4-port USB hub is included in both model as well as. And friend, if I talk about the pricing, the AG275QZ EU model is priced at €629.99 and the AG275QZ and EU model is priced at €439.99. So if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.